So let's take a look at Scala data structures. In general, Scala supports pretty much the same data structures you'd find in Java, um, maybe in a slightly different way as well. So first, let's take a look at an array. Okay, so we've created an array. We have assigned it to the value a. So if we want to access elements in the array, simply done with parentheses and then the element number. Attempt to access something outside of the array, we get an array index out of bounds exception. Straightforward. Take a look at map in Scala. Actually, let's create a map. Say hello in a couple different languages. Okay. So now if we want to query the map, we'll see, how do we say hello in Spanish? Oops. That's the syntax for doing so. We'll try French. And what if we try Japanese? Nope. Exception. No such element. So we can make we can add a default value. So if we a new val we'll assign it to. We'll do say safe hello. Oops. It will be hello with default value, and we'll say I don't know, and then we can try again. Oh. There we go, default value at play. Scala has a nice implementation of the tuple. So unlike an array, pardon me, or a list, we can mix and match types inside of the tuple. So we'll put in a string, an int, a double, another string. Okay, and then we can we access the elements with the dot underscore followed by the element number, the subscript, which for the tuple begins at 1 as opposed to 0. Take a look at the list. Now, the list implementation in Scala is a little more functional in style. So we can see a lot of Lisp type elements in the implementation of the list. So if we use an explicit type declaration here, even though we don't need to. Okay. So let's we can access the head and the tail of a list. So let's try the head of our cities list is New York. Tail is everything else. Scala also supports a cons operator, again similar to Lisp or other functional languages. So let's see how that works here. Make a new list. Let's do it by consing items together here. So the double full colon is the cons operator in Scala. And we'll cons that on the nil, which is the empty list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See if that works. Yep, it worked. And let's try fib head. Work the same way.